Okay guys, we got approval to change this gas valve. We're finally back. I want to say it took them about 4 days, but it was over the weekend, so we're back to change it now. Alright, so this doesn't have a union, so we're gonna turn that gas off right here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, so we gotta go this way. We'll get this out of the way. All right. So, gotta come this way to take this off. So, we'll get this.
Anda perturbando ahí las potentes. Perturbando los que andan aquí.
Okay guys, I'm struggling a little bit with this one. It's just real tight on there. Okay, we finally got it out after struggling. So this is the output. So it's gonna go like this. So it's gonna go like that. So now let me just get some pipe dope. So it's gonna go like this. Let me see if I can do one more turn. All right, now we're gonna pipe it in, but we're gonna install a sediment trap because it didn't have one. It was just like that. That's not a real sediment trap, so let's do that. We could just put this elbow and put this 1/2 inch elbow, just go straight up with it. We got that elbow in. We're gonna put this a little higher, that way I can elbow that way, and then put a sediment trap, that way I can get enough height so I can put an actual trap, so I can put a sediment tee, and then we'll just put a long one, that way we have enough pipe and have enough of this so we can reach it and put it on top, if that makes sense. Yeah, we will. We'll put an elbow here, put a trap right there. That's perfect.
Ahí está.
No, I don't know. Alright, so we finally got where we need to go. Now we have a good sediment trap. Call this a drip leg. So now we'll just connect our flare flexible hose here. So let me put some gas pipe dope on this. Alright guys, so I see a couple people put stuff on here. I never done it. I think that's the reason there's a flare. You don't need to do it. But never had a leak. Just get it on there and make sure it's tight. It shouldn't leak. We're gonna check for leaks anyways, but never leaks. Let's connect our low voltage wires. Let's set this thing on, and we're gonna turn it on and check our gas pressure. So it just came on. We got the flames going, 3.8, so we're gonna have to adjust that down to 3.5. Down. We'll just go ahead and leave it there. So that's it, guys. No valve in place. Let me get hit. Go ahead and put this up out of here. So that's it, guys. We got 3.4. I'm gonna adjust a little bit more. We'll leave it there. That's okay. We'll leave it there. Go ahead, get this out of here, tighten that screw, and we're good. I had went outside, felt it was cold. I remember my jacket was up here. SMH. Check out this ladder. I think it's pretty cool. It was white. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
But yeah, no, you're good now.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. I'll let her know. Thank you guys.
Have a good one. So I had to get my my radiator changed out yesterday, Monday. It was a mess. It was cold. I was at a call. I ain't even want to film anymore, but I trust my mechanic. I'm just checking the fluid on it, the coolant. Damn, it's on there good. Yeah, look at that. It's perfect. Yeah, man, this thing was leaking. Good thing is I parked on this customer's house, but it wasn't in his driveway. I just noticed it, and then I bought some, and then as soon as I bought it, it just went all the way down. But yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Let's go.